Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video we're going to do Withington test route for Didsbury Test Centre. Observe the road both ways before moving off, as this is a two-way road.
You will arrive at your destination at 4:50 p.m.
As you approach the junction, slow down, stop the car on junction. So that's a two-way traffic again now, two-way road. Look right and look left. If it's safe, you can drive on. Around the test centre it's 10 miles an hour zone, so drive nice and slowly. After the barrier, speed goes to 20 miles an hour.
Turn right, then
Sat-navs ask us to go right. There's a single lane at the moment, and single lane will become a two lanes. Look in the center mirror, look in the right mirror, position yourself onto the right lane. Signal right because we are turning right at the lights. Now as soon as the lights change and we're turning, we need to go straight into the left lane because the right lane is only to turn right. So lights going green now, so we're ready to move off now. As soon as we turn, we need to be in the left lane. So from here we're just gonna carry on straight.
go straight on.
Straight through the lights. As soon as we go through the traffic lights, we can see the road is merging, so we're the one who's going to be turning, is going into the right lane. You can see the arrows pointing you to go to the right. Look in the center mirror, look in the right mirror. If someone's behind, give a signal. If no one's behind, you don't need to give a signal. You can just merge the lane and go into the right lane. Keep an eye on the cyclists. Don't have any space. Do not overtake the cyclists. If it's safe, you can go around them. Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour now. Be very careful on this road, it's really busy. Cars coming from left and right, people are crossing, so keep an eye on everyone when you drive around here.
After 300 yards, turn left, then turn right.
So sat-navs ask us after 200 yards we're going to be turning left and then we're going to be turning right. It means we're going left at the lights. As soon as we turn left, we need to turn right somewhere. So we're going to get ready now. We don't need to give a signal because you can see on the left hand side there's a car parked up, so we don't want to mislead them by giving an early signal. Now we can give a signal to go left at the lights. Whenever you're stopping behind the car, make sure you have a nice gap which is tire and tarmac. So we're going to be turning left.
After
Signal's already
50
left. Look in the center
yards,
mirror. Left
turn
mirror left for the cyclist.
then turn right.
No one's there, so we're okay to turn. Now, as I said, let's ask you again to turn right. So what we're going to do now, we need to identify the turn.
After 200 yards,
She says
turn
after
right.
200 yards. So we're going to look in the center mirror, position ourselves close to the center line. I can see there's a turn coming up. Already given a signal now. There's
Turn
no one
right.
coming. Oncoming traffic is a bit far at the moment, so we're okay to turn. So you can see the speed on this road is 20 miles an hour. So we're going to pull over to the left hand side. So we're going to look in the center mirror, left mirror. There's a space here. I don't want to block someone's driveway, so I'll go around this car. As we're ready to move up again, we're going to look in the left shoulder, left mirror, center mirror, straight ahead, right mirror and right shoulder. If someone's behind us, we give a signal to let them know that we're driving off. If no, then we're okay to go. So if someone's behind, there's a van coming up as well. We give a signal and we drive.
After 200 yards, turn left.
We're approaching the junction. Look in the center mirror, left mirror, signal
Turn
left. And only move off when if you think is safe. So lights are green, so we're okay to carry on. Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour. So car at front given a signal now, so we need to just slow down because there's not enough space to go around. So we were driving 30 miles an hour. Now you can see the speed sign. It says 20 miles an hour. So you drive nice and slowly up to 20 miles an hour now. Especially on this road, you make sure do not overtake any cyclist here because there's a road work and there's not enough space for you to go around with the cycles.
After 200 yards, bear left, then take the third right.
So we need to go straight at the lights now.
Bear
So we stay in the left lane,
then
right lane is
take
only
the
to turn
third
right. Sat-nav has already told you you're going to go straight to the lights and then take your third right. So you need to plan ahead. So we go through the lights, and that would be a third turn to the right now. So that's our first turn on the right.
Yards, turn right.
That's our second
Then
turn, and
go
we're approaching a
left on the
third.
roundabout.
So when you're turning right, you can see the arrow on the
Turn
road,
right.
so you need to
Then
position yourself
go left
on the
on the
arrow and look
roundabout.
for the safe space. After this car, there's a gap coming up. So Satnav told you you're going to be turning left at the roundabout. So look in the center mirror, look in the left mirror. There's no turn before
Go
that
left on the
roundabout, so be okay
roundabout.
to give
First
signal.
exit.
Keep an eye on the pedestrian crossing. No one's there, so we're okay to go left. Looking in the left mirror, it's clear. Speed on this road is 20 miles an hour now. And see the cars parked on the left and right of the road. You're okay to drive on this middle of the road, leaving equal gap on both sides.
At the end of the road, turn left.
So we're going left at the junction. Look in the center mirror, left mirror, signal
Turn
left.
left.
Position ourselves close to the left side because we're turning left. And then look right and look left. If it's safe, be okay to move off. Look in the center mirror, check the mirror, everything's okay behind. Speed on this road is 20 miles an hour.
At the end of the road, turn right.
So we're going to be turning right, center mirror, right mirror. Signal
Turn
right.
right.
Stay close to the center line because we're turning right now. So position ourselves nicely just before the given lines. We need to stop. Look right and look left. If it's clear, we drive. Check the mirrors again to see everything's okay behind. Speed on this road is 20 miles an hour.
After 200 yards, turn left.
So after 200 yards, we're going to be turning left. So we need to position ourselves closer to the left side. But we can see there's a cars parked on the left hand side. So we don't go too close. Look in the center mirror, left mirror, signal left.
Turn left.
There's no enough space for us to squeeze through. We just wait behind this car now. I can see there's enough space for us to go now, so we're okay to carry on. So there's no one there on the right, so we're okay to move off as well. Check the mirror, everything's okay behind. Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour now. So sat nav told us ahead we're going to be turning right. So whenever you think is best, you can move over into the middle lane because there's 3 lanes there. I've got plenty of space now, so I'll move over into the middle lane.
After 400 yards, turn right. Then take the second left.
So I need to move over to the right lane now because very soon we're going to be turning right. So I'll look for the safe gap. Keep an eye in the center mirror. Keep an eye on the right mirror. So as soon as you see the gap coming up, give it a signal and you can switch the lane to the right lane now.
Turn right. Then take the second left.
So I'm at the moment is a perfect position to turn right, so be okay to carry on in this lane now. Center mirror, right mirror, signal right again, light still green, so be okay to turn. So when I turn right here, as soon as I go right, because the sat nav told me to turn left, so I'm going to position myself into the left lane again.
After 100 yards, turn left. Then turn left.
So we're going to be turning left at the traffic light.
Turn left.
We already positioned
Then
ourselves in the
turn
left lane, so
left.
we're okay to turn left. As soon you turn left, make sure you stay on the left side of the road as well. There's 2 lanes, one going right, one going straight ahead. So we need to stay in the left lane.
Turn left. Then you have
Speed on
reached
this
your
road is 20 miles an hour, which goes to 10 miles an hour after these barriers. So from here we're going to take a second turn to the left.
You have reached your destination.
Once you pass the first turn, look in the mirrors, center and left mirrors, signal left, drive nice and slowly on this corner. So we're going to pull over into the bay now. If you've been asked to pull over into the bay, that's not part of your test anymore now. So what you need to do, just swerve a little bit to the right and then go straight into the bay. It doesn't matter if you park perfectly near, that's not part of your test. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like us to do any test route, just let us know in the comment and we'll try to make it for you. Thank you. Bye.